what day of the week it is. I think it's Friday. It is Friday, and it's time for my live video. I apologize. I did not put that I was going live in 5. That's the one thing I've been missing. We just got done with sound check. We are in Surprise, Arizona. There you go, Surprise. We're in Surprise, Arizona. We just got done with sound check, got a great room. I went ahead, came out here in the hallway. It's a nice little performing arts center here. I'll walk in and show it to you in a minute, but they're in there kind of working on some guitar stuff. So I don't want to be distracted like I have in the last couple of videos. I'm in the theater and blam, 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 guitars. And so I was trying to do a video and my mind's going to everything else. So anyway, so today, yeah, great gig last few nights. All the gigs have been going really good. Even opening night, working with a new sound guy, it went really well. The band's playing really good. Everything's awesome. Now, I've been playing with Sam for so long, 27 years this year. Will mark my 27th year in the band. And Rolling Stone magazine, by the way, years ago came out and they said the life expectancy of any band is 11 months. So 27 years, what was supposed to be a 3-week tour of Eastern Europe turned out to be a better part of my life. It's been wonderful. So I'm very thankful for that. What I want to talk about today is kind of helping each other out when you're not feeling good. Again, like I said, well, one thing I learned, don't eat something before you go live. I've been playing with Sam for so long that I really know the guy, right? I mean, like I know what's going on during the show. We've been all over the world together, so I really know him. And last night was an exceptionally good night for the band. I mean, it's one of those nights where everybody had oil in their joints. We just were playing great. But Sam, I could tell, not through his playing. I mean, he was singing great. He was playing great. There was no mistakes, nothing. But I could tell something was going on. So sure enough, we get done with the show. He's like, "Oh, dude, I just don't feel good." Well, as I'd mentioned in a previous video, we just got done with NAMM before we left on this tour. Now, if you haven't seen that video, you can go watch it. NAMM is the National Association of Music Merchants. It's a big convention that happens in Anaheim every January, and it's a big trade show. So we just got done with that, and when you go to NAMM, you get, there's a gift that every musician gets when they go there, and it's a gift that keeps on giving, and it's called NAMM-thrax. And sure enough, Sam's not feeling good. I'm pretty sure he's got NAMM-thrax. So the poor guy. So it's one of those things where when you're out here doing this, be aware of those things and help each other. Just like, you know what, we got this tonight, man. Just, Sam's like, no, I'll help, and he's helping us load the trailer. But it is, help each other out. When you're on tour, when you're on the road, if you find yourself in this position, you'd be able to lift each other up and help each other out, because it's not a matter of if you're going to get sick, it's a matter of when, because we all get it. And honestly, as much as I love what I do, at some points it's just like any job, right? Just like any job where, some days you get sick, you're not feeling well, but you still go to work, because we don't have sick days. And as the old saying, show must go on. But help each other out. We're a pretty well-oiled machine, I like to say. Takes us, less than an hour and 15 to get rolled in and set up, ready to do sound check. And same thing loading out. Everybody pitches in, grabs stuff, and does it, and helps out. Now, I was going to make a whole video on this next subject, but I'm going to throw it out there in this one because I think it goes hand in hand. And that is, be aware of the sound crew. Be aware of who the people are that you are working with and how important they are to you. Sometimes it's taken for granted that somebody's there to help you, right? And I'm sure that I've been that person, at times where I just wasn't grateful or thankful. So I'm not pointing fingers. I'm just saying at anybody. I'm just saying be grateful when somebody wants to help you. Here's my case in point. This is show number 1, 2. This is show number 4. This is the fourth night of the run, and Glenn is our sound guy, and he's a great guy. This is his 3rd show. He didn't do the 2nd show. He did the 1st show last night and tonight. He's really good. He's really efficient and a real nice guy. Load in today was not that bad. Wasn't real far. Wasn't a big trek to get everything in. But it was there's only room for one vehicle, and he had his trailer and we had our trailer. So we backed the trailer in, dropped the gate, and he goes, I'll let you guys go first because of the way this stage set up. He goes, if you guys get your stuff up there, it'll be easier for me to get my stuff up there. So we went first, and it was very nice of him. So we backed the trailer in, everybody starts grabbing stuff and helping. Well, he didn't need to help us with our gear, and sure enough, man, he runs up and starts grabbing stuff and humping it inside. I even told him, like, dude, you don't need to do that. And he goes, well, I'm just going to stand here. I got to do something. So he helped us load in, and man, that's really cool. I mean, it was really nice of him. He didn't need to do that. It was very nice. So anyway, if you have a good crew, you have somebody that's willing to help you, have someone that's willing to help you out, be thankful for them. If they're not doing exactly the way you think they should do it, don't worry about it. If something at the end of the night, don't hey, did so-and-so get my stuff loaded? No, none of that. We're all responsible for our own gear. I've done videos on that here on this playlist. But yeah, so be thankful for that. Let them know. And incidentally, I moved the truck and the trailer, parked it over here on the side, and he was unloading his trailer, so I was like, well, he helped us, I'm going to help him. I get up there, and by the time I got there, he was done loading. So I was like, hey, got here just in the nick of time. I'm joking. So anyway, so that's my thing. Help each other out. Somebody's feeling not so great, let them, rest. Cut them some slack. Don't do anything. Just go sit down, relax. We got the thing loaded, because there's going to be a point when you're not feeling good, and you don't want to be loading, and because you got a flu or a cold or something like that. So I don't know, just kind of word to the wise there. Shows are going great. Tonight's number 4, like I said. Then we got, today's Friday, so we play for Saturday, Sunday. We got Monday off, and actually I'll be teaching from the road on Monday. And so I'm going to have a whole video on that on Monday. And I've talked about it a lot in past videos, on past deck episodes, teaching from the road, but I'm going to show my little setup that I have with me on this run so you guys can see it. If anybody has any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, actually, you know what? Here, let me take you, I'll show you the room where we're playing tonight. It's a really nice room. I'm going through the side door over here. They're setting up some stuff. They're done. I came out here because last time, yesterday and a couple days before, every time I do it. So there we are. There's the room. Gonna be another good show tonight here in Surprise. And there's all of our stuff right up there. So there you have it. There you have it, folks. Live from Surprise, Arizona. Tomorrow, when I upload this, I'll put a link to the band's website. You guys go check out. So we're going to be. So if you are close by, you can come to the show. Love to see you out here out and about. If there's a place where tickets are available, here, look, got to do this. There's the big bad Gretsch kit right there, baby. That's the one. Kit's sounding great. So anyway, shows are going good. And if you want some coaching, you want some lessons, reach out to me, bartrobley.com. And if you've been on tour and you do this stuff, you go through this stuff, I'd love to hear your comments. I would love to hear some of your suggestions, some of the things that you have been through or gone through. And We'll see you in tomorrow's video. Be sure to go to Bart Robley on YouTube. Road Rash and Band Aids is the name of this playlist. Like and subscribe and all that sort of stuff. And if you're interested in either one of my new books, The Rhythmic Journey or Drum Up Your Business, digital versions are available on Hudson Music. Hard copies are available on my website, bartrobley.com. And with this black wall behind me, it's like my mug shot, right? Throw me in jail. See you guys tomorrow.